Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious Rice Krispie treats. I know you're going to love them, so let's get started. I'm starting this recipe off on the stove with 3 tablespoons of butter that I'm going to melt on a medium heat. Now that my butter is melted, I'm going to add 8 ounces of marshmallows and melt those down on a medium to low heat. Once it's all melted and nice and smooth, I'm going to add 3½ cups of Rice Krispie Treat cereal and mix that all together until it's fully combined and coated. I have a 9x13 baking pan here that I'm going to use to press my Rice Krispies down into their square shape, or you can double the recipe and do a full 9x13 pan. Then let the Rice Krispie Treats cool. You can pop them right out of the container and cut them into squares and they look amazing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe. I post every Friday. Thanks for watching.